Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to repost videos on Instagram. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, what you guys have to do is simply just have to open up Instagram application on your mobile phone. So after opening up the Instagram application on mobile phone, now you simply have to just simply open up that specific post which you want to repost. And I'm just selecting that specific post like this one. So what I have to do is simply, in order to repost, you have to just simply click on this aeroplane icon, which is share icon. So after clicking on that share icon, you have to just simply go to the add to story, which is the third option in which is right next to the share button. So you have to just simply select add to story. So I'm just after just clicking on add to story, your that specific post will be reposted. The law of attraction will. So you guys can see the video has been reposted to our Instagram story. So you guys can also add some text, or you guys can mute the video, or you guys can mute the status by just tapping on that specific first icon, or you guys can just simply add stickers, or you guys can add effects, and you guys can add as additional music by just tapping on that music button, and you guys can select a specific library, and you guys can, in this way you guys can repost your video through story. Another method of reposting your video is by just go to Play Store and simply search for Repost. So what you have to do is simply search for Repost, and lots of repost application will be appear to you. So you guys can just simply select Repost Instagram. So you guys can see here is the application which is Repost for IG. So what you have to do is simply click on install. What it app can do is it can basically select so first of all ask you for login. So after logging in with your device, it will ask you for that specific post. So you have to just simply copy the link of that specific post and paste in that application. So after pasting in this application, what you guys have to do is just simply click on repost, and you guys can post again, repost your post by just tapping on one click. So this is the single application I'm going to tell you by just method. You guys have to simply open it. So after opening it, you guys can see it is asking you for repost. So you have to simply click on top right corner of Instagram icon. So after tapping on that Instagram icon, you have to copy that specific post which you want to repost. So after copying that, so after simply copying that specific post, you guys can see it is appeared in our application. I have to just simply click on it and simply go to add that to story by just tapping on this, or you guys can also repost by just tapping on send direct to sending to someone through your Instagram DM, or you guys can just simply post to feed by just tapping on this post to feed option. So here is the way to repost your post again on Instagram. So it's pretty simple. I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.